I have a lot of wallpaper in my house, so I found it handy to have a wallpaper repair kit, which I keep in a little bag. It includes wallpaper seam repair in a tube, a soft bristled brush, and a squeegee, a 4-inch plastic squeegee. And if you don't have one of those, you can use a plastic card from your wallet. So when my wallpaper is lifting, I just take the brush, I get some wallpaper seam repair on it, and I push it under the wallpaper as far as it'll go, and then I wait 3 minutes. I wait 3 minutes for it to set, and after it sets, I take the squeegee and I squeegee out the wallpaper so that it's flat. I don't do it right away because it has to set. And after I squeegee it out very nicely, I wait 10 more minutes and then I squeegee it again. In the meantime, I take a moist paper towel and I clean off the excess wallpaper seam repair from the area. I found this does a great job.